Hey guys, what's happening? This is my campus. I'm gonna get out for a second, kind of videotape. But like, there's nobody here. Normally, this parking lot's totally full. And my physics teacher was saying that this is the most snow he's seen in 15 years. In his 15 years of being here. And we still had school. And here they don't really have salt or anything, they have sand. And so they don't put down anything here. They didn't, they don't have shovels or anything. So throughout campus, I walked through the slush, and it sucked getting here too. And in my my last class, my PE class, there was only 6 people. In my class normally there's, I think, around 25, 30, maybe 30. And it's just, it hasn't stopped snowing. It just keeps going and going and going. But the classes at 3 o'clock were canceled, or anything at 3 o'clock was canceled. And my last teacher let us out a whole hour early, and we only have an hour and 20-minute class. Well, we were in there for 30 minutes. And tomorrow there's no classes, but I don't have class tomorrow anyway. So that's my little update for today. I know I made a video earlier, and I already posted it. So, heck, I'm gonna go build a snowman. I gotta get out of here. So, maybe I'll videotape some more later, and I'll put that with this video. This will be like part 2 for today. See you guys. So that was that. That was that. I say that a lot. So that's that, and that was that. Yippity doo dah, sippity dah. And that was that. I better stop videotaping though. It's probably really, really dangerous because I'm driving. So peace. Off my darkest night, the longest fight I've seen. And here goes a chance I know, cashing in on all my chips, let all my ships come and fly. I rolled this giant ball.
Oh, look at him, Jordan. He's so cute.
He's a mountain lion of snow.
Look at him.
Chase after him. Chase him, he'll run. Hey bud. Oh, he slid. Hey guys. I'm back. We just we built a snowman with three balls. 3 snowballs. I need like an umbrella to cover this from the, because it gets.
There you go, you're totally covered.
This does not work. I can't see what I'm doing.
She's got an umbrella, she's coming. That's perfect. He's got his own ideas.
Ah!
You see how unsturdy that is?
Yeah, it's fine.
An idiot would get up here.
I'll get up there.
Scott's got this carving skills,
Yeah, just
artistic ability, showing off the skills. I got my umbrella. This is our giant
Not so hard.
7-foot snowman
It off. Okay, we'll let you get up here. You better get up here because you got the field.
with 4 balls.
Oh, you can get on this side, Scott.
Our snowman has 4 balls.
What? Now that guy has balls.
That guy has some 3 pretty big sized balls and 1 regular sized ball.
Yeah.
Hey Mom! What? We need face stuff for the face.
Okay, like carrot, raisin, or?
Like stuff for the faces on the snowmans. Like the face part, like face. Like face stuff. For our big snowman, we need face stuff. Like face stuff. Like long nose face stuff. We need extra large face stuff. Because this snowman is 7 feet tall, so we need face. No, we need body stuff too. Extra large body stuff. And we need some makeup. Yeah, some extra large makeup, please. Cosmetics. Rosy red. And we need face stuff.
You record all that?
Yes.
What do you need?
Face stuff. Underneath my umbrella. Ella. Underneath my umbrella.
Are you laughing at me?
Ah, you look like an idiot.
That'd be so funny.